What if you only had $100 and you wanted to grow it into $500 in the markets? How would you do it? Most people say it's impossible, but it's not. $100 to $500 is a mission that I want to teach you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it with a real plan, real numbers. Let's get started. Why $100? Well, the first thing is this is for beginners, and anyone can come up with $100. Anyone. And you can start in a broker's account with $100. And you can begin to take your first trades with $100. That's why we're starting $100. And once we're going to practice, get our way up to 100 to 500, then we're going to do the next step after that. But right now, we're focusing on just $100. So the first thing you need to do is open up a brokerage account. If you can grow $100 the right way, then you're going to know how to trade a $10,000 account. I always say, don't worry about making $1,000 before you can make $10, right? Focus on the small stuff, and then we're going to learn how to do the big stuff. So part of our focus right now is discipline. We want to build discipline. I know that's boring, but remember, we're going from 100 to 500. So here's the strategy. We're going to do $1 wide debit and credit spreads. That's what we're going to do. So if we do a $100 credit spread and we earn a 25-cent credit, then we could make 25% on our account in one trade. But let's get into the strategy. So first of all, we're going to start trading the SPY because it has a $1 spread. Why? Because it's liquid. Why? Because it always goes up. Next, we're going to do 10 to 20 strikes on the delta. And so the delta really just means that it's a probability. Here's how you can see it on your chart. The delta, we want to do the delta. All right. Now, we want to choose 3 to 7 days with expiration. So number one, on the SPY, we want to watch and see if the market can do a bit of a dip. We want to try to get it on a dip. So when I say that, look for the hourly chart to go below the 50 on the RSI. That's all the dip we need. Next, we want to make sure that we're doing 3 to 7 days out in expiration, but we want to just go out to 3 to 7 days. Why are we going to do that? Because we want to roll our profits as often as we can initially. As we grow our account, we're going to roll it a little bit less, right, as we grow it. So next, we want to take small trades, which we have to because we only have $100. We want to have high probability, and we want to take our profit early. So we want to take our profit at 25 to 50% of the credit. We're not going to let our losses run. So let's start by doing a 50% profit target and a 50% loss. If we lose 50%, we have to cut the trade. Now, in this trade, on our very first trade, if we lose it, we're done because we only have $100, and that's the minimum to trade. So on this very first trade, it really won't matter. We have to get this first trade right, which is why I want to wait until the first dip. What we're going to do then is we're going to compound this. So once we get it up to where our account has $200, we're going to take 2 trades. We're going to take 2 $1 wide spreads. But for now, it's going to take 3 to 4 to maybe 5 trades to get us to the 200. It's going to take a little bit of time. It's not going to happen right away. But our goal is to get $100 to $500 in just 6 weeks. Hey, it seems like it's not important, but it really is. We're teaching ourselves a foundation on how to be successful in the markets. So here's a weekly compounding plan that I've added. So in just 7 to 8 weeks, we could 5x our account with low risk trades and high probabilities. It's really awesome. All right. So will every trade be a winner? No, of course not. But we are going for high probability trades. Remember, give yourself realistic expectations. Let's not focus on going fast. Let's go slow, because the way to get rich fast is to get rich slow. And remember, not every trade's going to be a winner, but this is the best possible plan that I can give you. So I want you to follow along. Let me know in the comments how you do. I'm going to show you what I'm doing along the way. And here's the first trade that I'm making right now. It is an SPY credit spread. Take a look at the screenshot. You can see exactly where my entry is. You can exactly see what my target is, all of these things. And so once you hit $500, we're going to go to phase 2. Again, let me know in the comments what you think about that. And in the next video, after we do this, it might take a little bit of time. We might see this in 2 months. So subscribe to my channel, comment, follow along. You're going to see exactly how to do it. And if you want to learn how to do weekly income with options, check out my masterclass. It's in the link in the description. Thanks a lot, and happy trading.